809 Birchwood. This is the lake's right down here, so there, you go down here at the end of this road and you can get right on the paths. There's a park, places set by Lake Erie there, and just watch it. Awesome area. I took my dogs down there when I came over and checked out the house the other day. It's a beautiful, beautiful area. So this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath ranch. Has thermal heat in the floors, so stays very nice and healthy here. So you'll never see a heater thing here. It's just right in the floors. And so basically you have your bathroom. This is your kitchen. All the appliances come with it. So you have a stove, a dishwasher, and a refrigerator. And then you have a nice bedroom here. And this is your bathroom. Nice big kind of a spa tub there. Just a nice big area. And then you have another bedroom, your second bedroom right here. So it's really a nice cozy thing. It has a working fireplace in the living room to entertain in. There's a nice little breakfast bar here. You can put your hors d'oeuvres or whatever when you have people over. Nice big window there for the backyard. Backyard's huge. This is another bedroom. So you have that, and I'll show you. This is your nice big heater. It's huge. And so you have this, and then you have the washer and dryer is also included here on this one. So let me get this thing over here. I apologize. So this is your stackable washer and dryer. Your laundry room's all right there. And then you have a nice backyard. It's huge. You got a little deck right here. And all this, so it goes all the way back there. Huge backyard. It's fenced, and there's a little place you can put a table, whatever. But it's all fenced in. Very nice area. Again, this is your virtual tour. This is 809 Birchwood in Willoughby, Ohio, and it's right near the lake. It's walking distance. Thanks. Have a great day.